Welcome to our channel Upscale Learning. Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn about opposite words or antonyms. Opposite words are words. They are usually a pair of words with opposite meaning or different meaning. Opposite words are also called as antonyms. In this video, we are going to learn some of the common opposite words that we see in day-to-day life. In, opposite out, off, on, good, bad, new, old, little, big, dry, wet, hot, cold, up, down, soft, hard, easy, tough, narrow, wide, loose, tight, young, old, early, late, poor, rich, cool, warm, wrong, right, left, right, thick, thin, few, many, pull, push, near, far, north, south. Long, short, tall, short. Now in these two set of opposite words, the opposite of long is also short and tall is also short. So short is opposite for long and tall. High, low, slow, fast, rough, smooth, happy, sad, dirty, clean, begin, end, start, finish, weak, strong, alive, dead, dark, light, heavy, light. Now again in these two, dark opposite is light and heavy opposite is light. Empty, full, awake, asleep, under, over, closed, open. North, south, winter, summer, east, west, night, day, inside, outside, work, play, black, white, kind, mean, lost, found, ill, well, difficult, easy, man, woman, walk, run, love, hate, stand, sit, after, before, win, lose. Now these are a set of 60 opposite words that you have learned today in this lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning the difference. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.